Samsung is a very old and excellent smartphone manufacturing company. If you are waiting for Samsung's mid-budget smartphone, then there is good news for you. Samsung company is going to launch its new smartphone under its A series, which is named Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. Display. Samsung Galaxy A36 phone is going to get 6.87-inch Full HD+, Super AMOLED display, which will support 120 Hz refresh rate, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Apart from this, features like an L display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating can also be seen in this phone. Camera setup. For photography, a triple rear camera setup will be provided in this phone. According to the leaks, the back panel of Galaxy A36 will have a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS support, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and an 8-megapixel macro sensor. On the other hand, this great smartphone can be provided with a 32-megapixel front camera for taking selfies and video calling. Processor. Talking about the operating system, this Samsung phone will be launched on Android 15. For processing, this phone can be launched on Exynos 1480 octa-core processor of Samsung brand running at 3.09 GHz clock speed. Battery backup. For power backup, a 5100 mAh battery can be provided in the Galaxy A36 5G phone. At the same time, to charge this big battery faster, Type-C charging socket will be seen with 55-watt fast charging technology. Price or launch date. According to the leak, the Samsung Galaxy A36 phone will be launched in two variants, whose base variant price can be around $300. And if we talk about the launch date, it can be introduced in a few months.